Aha.
Are you good?
I got bocha.
Are they recording?
Already recording.
There?
Yeah, back where Jared is a good
Oh, yeah.
spot.
Okay.
Woo. Woo.
Something like that.
Were you doing the last one or the first one?
Oh, that was the last one.
Were you trying to
No, I was trying to do that.
bouncy bounce?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Should I just do it again?
I didn't know. Just tell me which one you picked.
Yeah, yeah, bounce, bounce. Her favorite one.
Woo. Wow.
So I got the beat.
Too cute.
The bottom one.
Okay.
Should back up a little bit. Stand for sure. Sorry. Think you have your arm like that or something.
I never do this one. They can do this way.
Yeah.
Woo.
That's all.
Yeah. So good.
Hair time?
Okay. You don't want to do a little the hammer time bounce?
Oh, yeah, yeah. See that one. Yeah. What? Was it right?
That was good.
Woo.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're good.
Come.
Let's see.
What move is that? That's not the move.
Okay, you're doing good. That's good.
Was it right?
That's good.
Take a bow. Woo! And again. And again. And again. Woo!
Okay, last one.
Yeah.
Your favorite one?
Oh, I
Favorite one coming up.
didn't want it. Oh.
Hold on. Hold on. I gotta rest my arms.
Are we still recording?
Yep.
Yum.
You think I can? What do you think I can do? Ridiculous.
Start two and stop two.
Start doing. Stop doing.
Okay.
Hair
This
time?
is his favorite one.
Taking a recording with this one. Okay, hold on. Taking a recording with this one. See, that's what I'm up to.
Got it?
Hold on. Wait. Oh.
Wait. Just wait. Oh. Look over.
I can see your face.
It's there.
biceps and triceps are quivering.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait.
One, two, three. That was good. That's it, right?
Yeah, I think so. Like it?
Like it.
Okay.
Yeah.
One more time.
That's it.
Yes. I should just make a straight lead.
You gonna do the
Yeah,
same
yeah.
one over again?
Let's let it go.
Ooh. I'll get a different angle.
Oh, we can do it this way then. Cute.
Wow.
My shoe fell off.
Ow.
That was good. Like it?
Like it. So, oh, more bows. Bows. Bows.
But.
3 butt bounds.
Well, thank you.
Thank you. What dance was that, Mr. Jared?
That was called Throw Marisa Around.
Throw Marisa
I
around?
got little sweat beads.
We got a little
Little
sweaty.
sweaty man.
Woo.
It's a good workout.
What did you think it was called, Marisa?
Sweaty man dance.
Sweaty man dance. Well, this one, he looks like he's got lipstick on. Wow, his eyes are so blue and the lips are so red.
Probably some hot.
Let's see, look in here.
Oh, yeah.
Come.
I don't know. That one has a big bright light.
This one.
You
Oh.
funny, mom head. You should take a picture of yourself in the mirror.
Nah, I don't
This is what mom looks like. This is what mom looks like. Look at yourself in the mirror. It's funny.
Turn head.
Yay.
Okay, so you just got to plug in. Why don't you